How to create pivot table in Apple Numbers. So simply open your Apple Numbers project, and once you are here, make sure that you have already filled the columns. I got here the date, location, item, and revenue, and some random informations. And next, click at the top in menu bar, pivot table. It will open you the new tab. You can travel between these two tabs. This is your original tab, and this is the pivot table. And now on the right you can select the columns. So the column C is for the date, column D is for the location, and the column F is for the price or revenue. And that's pretty much how you can create your own pivot table. You can customize it and select and unselect these informations. If you want to add something to your pivot table, go to your sheet and, for example, here, add a new column, and it will appear here, and select this option. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.